gonna tell you the deal. You tell me that I always hurt you. I don't know what you're talking about. I tried to love you, tried to hold you, but you always seem to die. You told me that you didn't trust me and you didn't want me around until somebody else showed interest. Now you walk around with a frown. I'm sorry that you say I hurt you, but you know you hurt me too.
I'm begging you, baby, I need you back because I'm still in love with you.
Why you treat me so